Hi, good afternoon. It's a pleasure of me and my partner Qifei to present our project, CMU History through Augmented Reality. The motivation around our project revolved around that CMU has thousands of students and thousands of visitors that visit the campus every year, but not everyone knows the marvelous history of CMU. We wanted to build some way that people would feel more connected to the campus and more connected to the roots of the college. So essentially what we ended up doing is we built an Android app that was able to present the CMU history to these students and visitors. Essentially, it's like we built up some frames having images of providing some historical context to the locations of CMU. It's kind of like walking around in a museum gallery. So the idea behind it is, we can display these different 3D images according to the user's current location. So talking a little bit about the architecture, we essentially have two modes, the hosting mode and the resolving mode. The hosting or the administrative mode is users can walk around the campus, administrators can walk around the campus and place these anchors at specific points, as well as audio files associated to these anchors. In the resolving mode is where things get interesting. Essentially, the users can walk to the same location where the anchor was placed. We do some GPS-based localization to figure out where the user is and display those same frames and images to the users. So our implementation revolved primarily around using the SLAM and OpenGL libraries from Google AR Core. We built our own 3D models, the frame that you can see here, using 3ds Max. For using localization, we used a library called Fuse Location, which essentially combines GPS and network data to provide better accuracy. We also had a text-to-speech audio synthesis, again, the courtesy of Google, and the Firebase-based backend. Now I'll hand it over to Qifei, who will guide us through results and a demo.
Hello. Now I'll be showing the demo app and how it works inside this room in NSH Hall. First, I'll open the app, and it shows us a screen saying looking for the anchors. Now the anchor is resolved based on the fused location techniques because it can locate this room using GPS and networks. After it finds the anchors, the two 3D pictures is placed there, floating in the air, just like Harry Potter. So you can see the left side, there's a picture of Alan Newell, and on the right side, this is a picture of Simon. If we click the button here, we will place an audio telling you the stories about the two persons.
Walk towards the picture on the left. This is Alan Newell, a researcher in computer science and cognitive psychology at Carnegie Mellon University. He contributed to the information processing language in two of the earliest AI programs, the logic theory machine and the general problem solver. Look at the picture on your right. This is Herbert Alexander Simon, an American economist and computer scientist who was best known for the theories of bounded rationality and satisficing. Simon was awarded the Turing Award in 1975 for his contributions to AI and the psychology of human cognition.
So this is the two pictures of Newell and Simon, and it's floating here. And what's more, our app supports multi-user, so if multiple users are using this app on their phones, they can both see the same pictures floating in the air and have the same AR experience. You can move around the pictures to see the different angles of those 3D pictures. And it's basically anchored to the ground so that when you turn your screen around, you won't see it, but when you turn it back, it still appears there. So that's the magic.